made a video today about look, this is the difference between holding on to what we have. I don't think he really understands. Okay, his mind, his way of thinking is to make as much profit as possible within as little time as you can allowed. This is a perfect example of somebody who trades on a daily, midterm, perhaps long-term basis. These are traders, okay? They're there to make money on the instant. They're happy making 10%, 20% per trade. But as I said before, it's like they don't get the idea of if you hold on to something, you don't have to sell over and over and over. That's what they're doing. They're selling and selling and selling. So in the long run, let's say 10 years from now, they would have sold their holdings so many times and paid taxes on that so many times that they're still, if they're good, they're going to give up on the market. If they're bad, they're going to run. They're going to run away from the market. If you have the mindset, and this is what I think the people that are subscribing to my channel, I welcome everyone, by the way. I only did this as a little test run, and all of a sudden the channel is taken off. And it's probably because I'm telling you something different than everyone on YouTube. Everyone on YouTube is buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Everyone. There's no one out there except Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger to tell you to hold and don't sell. And I've been repeating that a million times. And if I do sell, if I ever sell, it's gonna go into a policy that's gonna pay me interest, and I can borrow against that policy anytime I want, pay it back if I want to or not, and use that money and pay it back when I have more money available from my investments, let's say. It's kind of like I'm building the base right now. Let me turn to something big at some point. I know that our great leader, Ethan, he wants to be a billionaire, but he wants to sell. He always said, I'm not gonna say when I'm gonna sell. It's up to you. Everybody sells on their own. I'm not gonna go around telling everybody how to sell and how to do it, which is great. It keeps everybody on their toes when they're gonna have to sell also, if they decide to sell. Me, I decide not to sell. Why should I sell this? Why sell something that I believe in the future this is going to be a phenomenal thing? And I'm not selling. I don't come here to sell you on Grayscale Trusts. It's what I'm doing, and it's what I believe in. Do I want you to sell? It's up to you. You want to sell? Go ahead. You want to make a lot of money? You keep these things for a long time. Long time. Turn it over to the next generation. That's how the generations become generational wealthy. Some people call it white privilege. No, it's saving and investing and having that investment pay you without the need of you going out to get a job, without you having to have a monthly income or a weekly income, whatever the case may be. It's okay to work. It's okay to work at McDonald's, Burger King, whatever. Any place. It's okay to mop floors. It's okay to clean toilets. It's okay to serve people. But begin. You have to begin that when you're young. And this is what these people on these neighborhoods that are so run down. As soon as they get $100, they spend it all. It's gone. It's never coming back. It's almost like saying to the ether, thanks, but no thanks. So they remain poor. That's why you have poverty, because people just like to spend every dollar that they get instead of investing that dollar to get another $10. So you have $10 to invest to spend if you want to. Getting back to these trusts, it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle that it's a calculated risk, long term, in the future, not just a little bit. Anyways, he did a video today, and he's going into selling covered calls and covered puts. Tesla changed my life or saved my life. It's his channel. He had bought LTCN and BCHG, but he sold it. And he sold it thinking that he made some money on it. But before that, he had lost some money too. He didn't tell us that. He did tell us today, though. He's looking for short-term, lucrative money, which is great, okay? But this is just like short-term. The next week. It's just like the high-yield BS. He was pumping at QDRT, XDRT. I got out of those a long time ago, and I got rid of them. I got rid of them. I'll show you this real quick. By the way, my account went down like 8,000 yesterday. It's up to 2,700. Hey, since we're here, let's go through this. MicroStrategy went down like $50-$80 yesterday, but it's coming back. Somebody, the word was around that somebody bought a put on it, like it's something new, rumors, and people panic, and they end up selling a lot. It went down, but check out this one here. It was almost like what was that? Like 750%. Look at this, 750% in 2 months. I invested 3,600. Now it's 2,500, 2,600. Yeah, I'm not doing good with AMD here. I invested 7,500, and now it's worth 2,000, and it's crappy. It's not. I don't know. This DJT. I'm not like 100% Trump or anything, but I bought that. It's not doing too good. Nvidia too. Nvidia is kind of not doing that great lately. Probably after like March or so, I might come back. But right now, it's like Bitcoin. Everybody's into Bitcoin. I want to show you something real quick. This is my high yield stuff. This is a high yield account that I got into, I don't know, maybe 5 months ago. I did not see anything, and I had XDRT, QDRT, and all, and that's what this guy was pumping before. Apparently, he got out of it because he sees the same thing, and he wants to do what supposedly these high yield ETFs, tell their customers that what they do is that they trade stocks, and that's how they're able to pay so much high commission. Stop, please. Yield QDTE and XDT. That guy he saw the light, and he sees that it's not going to work out, and pretty soon he's going to see that NVIDIA and MSTR are not going to work out either. especially NVIDIA right now. It's probably, let's see where it's at. NVDY. Whoa, 78 cents down. Okay. He's probably going to get out of that one too, because he's going to say, oh, it's not, See what I mean? You got to sell, and when you got to sell at a loss. Okay. But this account, I bought it for that purpose, for high yield, to test, to see if these worked. I had Wyoming, I had Clip, I had QDTE, XDTE. They were good in the beginning, but then they start crapping out. People move away from them, they go to the next big thing. NVIDIA too, and NVIDIA was doing good, and all of a sudden, little by little, it starts going the other way. Misty may be, it might not do good this week, but we'll see. It might. Once the hype is over, these things start crapping out on themselves, and I'm not wishing these people bad luck or anything. That's their nature. And they tell you that they're investing in covered calls, in daily covered calls. What's going on over there? They tell you that they're investing or trading in covered calls, and that's how they're able. They don't tell you that they're paying you back. That's why it's called a freaking. They call it a. What do they call it? They call it a distribution. Come on, populate, you piece of. It's so slow, Here you go. This is what the hell it says. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Okay. Supposedly distribution yield is 73%. The real yield is 3%. Okay. Supposedly they pay you $1. No, they see this distribution. They start going down little by little. And let's look at the chart on the NVIDIA. 6 months. Okay, well, it's going up a little. Does this show that it's going to continue rising? No, the price on NVIDIA went up, and it became popular, but it's come down from its high. If we make the line this way, okay, wait. If we make the line from here to here. Okay, it's going down. If we make the line from here to here, okay, yeah, it's going up in 6 months. Let's look at 1 year. We'll see what the hell happened here. Yeah, very popular here. Very popular because it's going up like crazy, I think it doubled. NVIDIA, the native, doubled or something right about here. I think it was like July, okay, of this year. And then it went down to here. If we look at the average, it starts over here, goes up. This is the peak. These are peaks. Is this going to go back up? Is this line going up? Right now it is. But over here, on this side, where could it be that it's going down? Okay. Charts. I don't really believe in them. They're good, but they're not that good. Let's see. Yeah, getting back to that, to the high yield account. It's like I started out with I invested $2,400 initially, and then it went down to I think it was $1,200 or so. And I noticed that everything that I bought was, just going down. It's like the new ones, like Misty, was going up because it was new. NVIDIA was doing really good, but they level off and they continue going, even though the stock market continues. Let's see what the Dow Jones is today. 276 points up. Where is this head? It's at 44,000. Continues to do good. Okay. I have gained in the last I got rid of these high yields About probably about probably maybe 2.5 months ago now, and I've gained 72%. So if this guy forget this. If he has 1,430,000, if he follows my my portfolio, okay, 72%. That's how much this guy could be gaining, but he's jumping around. He's jumping around from one to another. How can I make that more simple? There's Danica. Let's see. How can I make it more simple for people to understand? I don't know. And, this looks good because we're in a bull market. If it was from a bear market, would I be making videos? Probably I would, hoping for a better time ahead. But don't make the mistake of listening to people who are short term, who have no vision. That's what separates us. That's what makes us different. Let everybody else, okay? Everybody else can buy and sell, sell. You're telling the ether, no, thank you. I don't need it. I don't need you. It's like those people in certain neighborhoods that they love to throw their money away. They love to throw it instead of investing in good quality things, and this is good qualities. I mean, it's it's crypto related. It was called experimental currency. That's what they called it, and they still call it experimental currency. Risky. I think it was before, but I think it's proven itself that it's gonna be resilient. It's gonna be here and it's gonna stay, and people are gonna jump over. And once people start jumping over, all these people that sell, especially like the Grayscale Trusts, or they get out to make a little profit, they're going to regret it. All those people that have been selling Bitcoin when it reached a certain high, they're probably regretting it right now because they're seeing that it's going the other way and it's not going to go down anymore. It may go down back to 60, 70,000 from this point on, but I don't think it's gonna. Once it hits like 150, which is probably not far away, once it hits that mark, it's not going under 100,000. But anyways, that's all I wanted to talk about today. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Like I've said before, I'm not here to cheerlead or anything. I'm just I'm telling you what's happening and what the possibility could be, and the possibility is just fantastic. And for the few of you that have been on the channel, you know where I'm coming from. Say hello, say thank you to the ether every day. Acknowledge it. Be thankful. Once you receive it, it's like, don't let it go, and don't jump around. Don't sell. Don't jump around. Heavy money is gonna come real soon. Heavy duty money. Have a great day.